Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the phone number on your Amazon account. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and go to Amazon's official website. Once you're in the website, simply click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Now you'll have to scroll a bit and you can see all account option. Click on it. From here, scroll a bit down and you'll see login and security. Simply click on it. In this page, you can edit your name, email, your phone number, your password and passkey. So since we want to change our phone number, click on add, enter your phone number. After you enter your phone number, simply click on continue button. Now it will send you a text to verify our number. Simply click on OK. Now Amazon will send you an OTP to verify your number. Now enter the OTP and simply click on verify button. And just like that, we can add or change phone number on Amazon account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.